Okay, good morning, student. Three assignment we have completed now. Fourth chapters probabilities assignment. There are only four chapters in algebra, and total marks 60. Out of that, compulsory is 40. So, uh, 12 to 15 marks per chapter they will ask. Okay, and internal also some parts are cancelled. So it is a good and golden opportunity for you people that you can score more mark. Now this is a small example. Page number 119. Two coins are tossed. We have to find out the different answer for two coins. Page number 119, first question. Mute the mic.
So unmute yourself.
Two coins. So the sample space will be TT, HH, HT, TH. Now question number 1. A. At least one tail. At least one. So minimum one, maximum two. So 1, 2, 3. TT, HT, TH. First. Second. B. Only one H. So B is TH, HT. Compulsory only one. Not less than one, not more than one. At most one tail. At the most one tail. Maximum one. Less than one also be considered. At least means that and more than that. At the most means that and less than that. So 1T this, 0T four question. No H, no head. D group. Now we have to identify total number of elements, probability. So number of S, there is 4 part. Number of A, 3 element. Number of B, 2. Number of C. Number of D. Only 1. Now we have to find out individual probability. So probability of A number of A divided by number of S, that is 4 by 4. Number of A is 3 by 4. Probability of B, number of B divided by number of S, 2 by 4. Whose mic is on, beta? Probability of C, number of C divided by number of S, C, 3 by 4. Probability of D, number of D divided by number of S, 1 by 4. So probability of that particular set is number of element of that set divided by total number of the element available. Then page number 121, one die roll. One dice roll. So sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A. Even on upper surface, even numbers. 2, 4, 6. B group, odd numbers. 1, 3, 5. Prime number, the number which are divisible by 1 in the self number only, not by any third number, that is a prime number. So C is 1 is not prime, 2, 3, 5. So number of S is 6. Number of A is 3. Number of B is 3. Number of C is 3. Again same. Probability of A, number of A divided by number of S. So A is 3 and that is 6. So half means 50% probability. 50% odd, 50% even. Probability of B odd 50%, even also 50%. Prime also 50%. Number of C, number of S. So 1, 2, 3, all three are 3. Out of 6, it is exactly half, 50%, half. Probability, it is related with the percentage. Now very important, 3 coin. 3 coins are tossed. I have given idea how to write that. Write Alt T, write all H. Now 7. This type 7 or this type. So first, second, third. First, second, third. Now is the opposite, which are empty space. Two is the 2 coin side, and this is the number of coin. This we are using number of coin 3. So 2 3s are means 2 into 2 into 2. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So total 4 element, 4 pair you are getting. So total 8 outcomes are there when 3 coins are tossed. Correct? Now at least 2H. First, two H. At least 2H means minimum 2 and more than 2. Two H first. T H H H T H H H T. At least 2. Then more than 2. H H H. Now B. No H. T T T. H on second coin. H on second coin. H on second. H on second means middle. H H H H. Both the side H. Both the side T. T and H. H and T. Without observing that also you can write. H H H H in middle. When H is in middle, both the side T. When H is middle, both the side H. When H is middle, left side T, right side H. Then opposite, left side T, left side H, right side T. So like that you can form. Now number of S 8. Number of A 4. Number of B 1. Number of C 4. Sorry. Probability of A, probability of B, probability of C. Number of A number of B, number of C, all divided by number of S. Among 4 chapters, this is the easiest one. Next one is AP. So you concentrate more and more in this two chapter. Those who are very slow learner and having a problem of getting at least 14-15 marks. So you more and more concentrate on these two chapters. 4 by 8, 1 by 8, 4 by 8, half, 1 by 8, again half. This is C, this is B, correct? Now one more example. 2-digit form from 0 to 5 without repeating. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Without repetition, 2-digit number we have to form. 0 cannot be as a 10th place in 2-digit. If it is 09, it is a 1-digit number. If it is 08, it is 1-digit number. But 90, it is 2-digit number. So there are 6 numbers. So except 0, I will write every number 5 times. Sorry. Now, except 1, write all. 0, 1 not possible. 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2 not possible. 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3 not possible because it will repeat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these are 2-digit numbers. Without repeating. Now question number 1. Even number. In first line, 10, 12, 14. Second line, 20, 22 is not there. 24, 30, 32, 34. 40, 42, 44 not possible. Then 50, 52, 54. 1 to 4, 1, 4. 3, 0 to 4. Correct. Now B. Divisible by 3. Start from here. No. Yes. 12 is divisible. 15 is divisible. 21 is divisible. 24 is divisible. 30 divisible. 30, 33, 36 not. 42, 45, 51, 54. These are divisible by the number form is greater than 50. Numbers which are greater than 50. Fifty-one, 52, 4.
मैं
Mute
भी
the
पीऊंगी
mic.
लेकिन अभी
Mute the mic.
उसका भी पिएगी, देखो मिट्टू भी है, मिष्टी भी पिएगी क्या?
Mute the mic.
मिष्टी भी पिएगी तो हाँ, मिष्टी चाय पिएगी और मिट्टू दूध पिए।
B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5. Correct. 4. Probability of A, probability of B, probability of C. Number of C, number of B, number of A, number of S, all divided by number of S. Thirteen, 9, 4 divided by 25. Sorry, it is not divisible. Probability of A is this. Probability of B is 9 by 25. Probability of C is 24 by. Now we have seen one example of coin, then die, then two-digit number. Now mixing one die, one coin, one die, one coin. S for one coin, one die. Coin has two sides, A and B, H and T, sorry. Dice has 6 number, 1 to 6. So all 6 number with H, all 6 number with T. So these are the pair. Okay, now different question. One coin, one die. E. H and odd. H and odd. B. Even with H or T. H or T with even. C. Numbers greater than 7 with T. T and greater than 7. H and odd. H and odd. 1H, 3H, 5H. H or T with even number. 2H, 4H, 6H. 2T, 4T, 6T. Greater than 7 number is not there. So number of S 6, 6, 12. Number of A only 3. Number of B 6. Number of D ABC. No events. No events, no elements.
The 10 minutes remain.
So probability of A, probability of B, probability of C. Number of A, number of B, number of A, all divided by number of S. Number of S. So that is 3 divided by 12, 6 divided by 12, nothing divided by 12. So final answer is 0. Final answer is half. Final answer is 1/4. Now, this is also very important question, page number 125. Tickets having some numbers. There are 15 tickets in a box. Each contains the numbers from 1 to 15. So S contain what? 1 to 15 numbers. So S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now A is what? B is what? A, even number. Multiple of 5. Perfect square. Even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15. Perfect square number. 1 is a perfect square. 1 ones are 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 for the 16 is not there. Then we will write all numbers. Number of S 1 to 15 naturally. Number of A 2, 4, 6, 7. Number of B, number of C, number of C3. So probability of A, number of A divided by number of S. 7 by 15. Probability of B, number of B divided by number of S. 3 by 15, 1 by 5. Simplify whenever it is possible. C by number of S. That is also 3 by 15. 1/5. That is a 20%. Now 0 is not given, and without repetition you have to form the numbers. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the numbers given, and 0 is not there. So every number can be as a unit place, every number can be as a 10th place, but no repetition. So I'll write 2 4 times, because with 2 3 2 5 2 7 2 9 like that. 2 4 times, 3 4 times, 5 4 times, 7 9 4 times. Now 2 is there, 2 cannot be repeated, so rest of the numbers behind that. 3 can be not repeat, 2 5 7 9. 5 can be not repeat, 2 3 7 9. 2 3 5 9. 2 3 5 7. 9 cannot repeat. Like that. Now find out odd number. Which are odd number? Correct. Odd number. Odd number. With 2 it is not odd. Rest of all are odd. Now multiple of 5 number. 5 to 5 not possible. So 25, 35, 75, 95. So like that, you have to find out the answer. Instruction what is given, that you have to mention that exactly what you are searching. For example, first H and odd numbers. So find out that. Then H and T with even numbers. Find out that. Here it is given even number. So find out all even numbers. multiple of 5. So what is the question? The instruction is given, which particular choice, that instruction you have to write. Then as per that instruction, find out the elements from that numbers. Then count the numbers. How many possibilities are there? Then in probability, in a exam, in a very hurry, many times students write inverse formula. Probability of A is number of S divided by number of A. So out of how much? Out of full. So number of S should be in the denominator. So try your best. Problem set I will conduct in second part, and this video also I will send. More and more people have to join these lectures. It is your revision. After completion of this revision, we will start with board papers. So be with me every day, and if you have any problem, you can send me the message. I will try my best to sort out your problems related to maths and science, but do everyday practice. Okay, close the meeting.
Yes, sir.